Emiasa yoko enekia hoko enwa kwa borko 15 no yomo aba asiretia magimabo maiga yoko yera ase nyumba yoborari Esukuru Utumishi county Nakuru nigo yanekiwase county ya ABARAI AOAO bakorwa n'OMOSUBATI OMOTANG'ANI BW'ENSE Choruto umugavana bwe county ya Nakuru Mheshimiwa Susan Kihika mwaziri w'echisemi Julius Migosi ogamba negati ABARAI bande abayibori na bega babwatani be sector y'echisemi asibagenderere kuboria emeroberio nyara ko bage kubekwa ase Esukuru AOAO kwenekia abuna hobo bosoborendi bwa borkwa mbochi kwenekiwa.
Other leaders present, members of the clergy, families of our beloved daughters, students and teachers, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Fellow Kenyans, today is a day of reflection and remembrance. We gather as families, friends, a school community, and a nation to honor and celebrate the lives of our beloved. Though our hearts are heavy, we also give thanks for the joy they brought, the friendships they shared, and the memories they leave behind. As a mother, I know that a child is never simply part of your life. A child becomes part of your heart. You carry them in your thoughts when you wake up and in your prayers before you sleep. Their victories become your joy. Their struggles become your concern. Their future becomes your deepest hope. While words cannot fully ease your pain, please know that you do not carry it alone.
Manchomo rigaria to kubagandria